Okay, join me on a little walkthrough video at Phukhaolak Resort. Just off the main road here. Just going to do a little walkthrough of the outside grounds. It's not a room review, it's just a little walkthrough of what you can expect if you're thinking of staying here. You're located right at the end of the strip. Senior bungalows here, walkers bar just over here. There's a very nice little restaurant just here. I've been in there a couple of times. You're right on the side of the big hill just across here. You get a lot of cloud hanging on that in the evening. Actually very pretty. Nice pool area. Nice shallow entry point. So your accommodation is set back off the main road. Must say the main road does get quite noisy, but you can't really hear it from here. And all the accommodation is just dotted around along the back, so you're completely away from all the sound. And you've got all these trees here for the shade. It's a very pretty place, this. There we go. You can see all the accommodation up here. So that looks quite beautiful, to be honest. Very nice. Okay. Then you're back onto the main road again. Okay, it's just a quick overview of what the place looks like, what you can expect to be staying here. I'll just walk you down to the road just to give you an idea of the actual noise you can get off the road and how quiet it was. You can actually hear the birds tweeting over there. So even though you are not that far from the road, getting very little sound off the traffic. And just here, you'll see where this gentleman's walking, just there now. There's a walk straight through the trees, straight to the beach. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes, depending how fast you're walking. So you're pretty much 5 minutes away from the beach. So there you go. Just a quick overview. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It helps my little channel grow. Everywhere I go on holiday, I just like to do a little recce of the area and just video places that I'd be interested in staying in myself. So if you do like it, please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, cheers. Thanks for watching.